G'day guys, we're in IKEA. Hope you enjoy this, come shop with me. So we're looking at one of these to get for Sophie's books in her bedroom. Thinking we'll probably get 2 or 3 of those, $7.99. They take 5 kilograms. And here's the bigger one. We're looking to get that in the lounge room. What have you found, Soph? For your toys. That would be a good thing for your toys. How much? 16 bucks. Love the colours. Aren't they beautiful, Soph? Look at that. Beautiful cushion. What do you think? Have you found a washing machine, Soph? It's a free play centre. You got this table at home, Soph? We got it from an op shop. $8, that's good. Comes in black as well. Sophie! What are you doing, darling? You checking for stuff under the couch?
Yeah, making sure no one's locked in there.
Any toys under there? Hello, darling. You having fun? Yes. Yes, you are. Soph, it's a little doll's house. What do you think? How much is it? $49. Okay, that's a cool display for the books. What book have you got? Do you want to take it? Perfect Party. Take it to Dad, yeah. Take it to Dad.
Oh, great. What have we got here? Someone's got a gnawed on it.
Ooh. So these are $19.99. They're pretty sturdy. I wonder how much weight. So 5 kilos. So that's the same as for the picture frame. So I think we're going to go the picture frame for her book. I haven't seen one of these before. It's a bed pocket. So you put it on the end of their bed and you can store things in it. That's what it says anyway. Storage boxes. Kids can paint them if they wanted to. $29.99. Maybe in the future, not at the moment. Having a great time. Getting books for Dad.
Ta. Thanks.
Like I said, an awesome free play centre. Nice way to store their artwork. I saw a hack on Pinterest actually using one of these and then putting a photo frame as a way to display their artwork and keep it. Clever footstool with storage. I wonder if they've got other colours. Yellow, black. Soph's getting the books out. Thinking a DIY that I could do with Sophie. $3.50. This is a great idea. So a colander that sits on the sink. I've got a round sink, so I don't know if that'll work. It's a little stool and you're sitting there. You look at Dad. This is what we want to make the learning stool. And there's my wooden spoon. Dave's taken a photo so it's easy to find. Sophie's on her stool. What do you reckon? It's like a little table, isn't it? Yeah. What is this? No idea. Now we're in the business section, aren't we? Yes. And you're turning. Okay. Alright. So I looked up on Facebook what to buy at IKEA and people said that you should get their Ziploc bags. So this is 30 cents each for a really big one. Okay, so this looks like bath toy. I reckon that's what it is. Or maybe something that goes in the shower as a timer. So you don't have long showers? Yeah, you're just in the bath. Okay, what about for holding your toys? Looks like it's got drains underneath. 10 bucks. I reckon there's cheaper alternatives to that. Just having a look at these toilet brushes, because we've got one and it's rusted. Well, 3 of them, and they've all rusted, haven't they? So what's that? $2.
All the big issues here. Got rid of the toilet brushes. Just not up to the standard of toileting. You're not going to make it.
I was not a fan of these, but I've come around. It looks really sturdy. What colour do you want, Dove?
Oh, don't mind, love.
Red?
Yeah, fine.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Putting your dress over Dad's head.
Oh.
Okay, I want a full length mirror since ours fell down. $22. That looks good. That'll look really good in the lounge room. Yeah, that's it. Yep. Awesome. Okay, here's our stool. This is what we came here for. Excuse me? Snorter? Excuse me? Where are you going? Alrighty, well, that's where I'll leave it here. We'll get this into the car. See you next time.